Se me mentimi an correcting that time ne crap na echiri mafo na eba wo se me tu omfo na omutimi correcting na ankowie because omo di beef in ba ya ye kra ye hwe omo so ye no crap no omo wuye to pack and biggie omo kunkum omo ni ho beef ya na kunkum omo nwi ya nti no maintenance na echiri maso mbesua nti na me ka se beef de enya de a eye beef you can't beef say you can't rap music beef kakra wo and only battling that's the origin you I know battling no what can be na one can ye na me maka to say baby Reggie de be ma mo say my desi Reggie no na Reggie claiming Oseikrom President me so me no na think kan intina kan so ka president and I say wo there be so no see ofi Kumasi enye wa ofi Kumasi atena ho because na chiame mo wa ha Lord Kenya mo wa ha so they make sure no omo claiming Oseikrom President so they make sure no won't mean tinan crying claiming Oseikrom President because yes ye nia ye chief fia enti ye nia be kasa nia yes ye Oseikrom President ni enti hono no e loose punch no ya no menini ni asem bia onya me bone bia oye madam fo pa but esan say rap music no sa de ni wom say o ka bibi no wan kan ye a metimi de wano esi baby sa mbaka ni ye a kire so friend who president wo so I want to resident one shame do beto internet sometimes internet my enso na minimum internet okay so until 100 dey beef punchline or no I lose punchline my reply no but say me ko extend ayeye ne maame aka say bin say ma emfata o maame say e bia yare e wo ne ho ana bibia etosin wo ne ho na me dey ye no so they make sure no eno no esa na ya personal yon nipa nko a o ye na ye nebusu ama ne fans ni obia ebenya biwo esa so de ni breba na ba kwa nso mu ye a ede ntokwane amane hunu beba na etuo twin be mu last minute because nipa ne nimu se ne awote nti why ye na nti wo ba be congratulate no office no was so true because e bia wo ye full human being ono onye full human being bia to see one ho nti no etuo no betimi dia ayden ade defend no onye ne din kra but o treat na papa nipa wu ya ana obi prayer anka nti no beef die na ya be ka say me na me de ba nti me de bia me ko bia na me ka say enye obeye beef a healthy beef bibia emfa ebufu emba because abroche ni battling wo ho o battle wo rap ma e nice o hwe wadan fo no nsema o kaka na so wa fa nsem na bi now the yaman is a bus o come a mile ahead dey ye no ye ne mama ye ne papa seven nsema enwu hia and what could below the belt and no beef in cry na was so you creative
okay todia
yeah
e den na afa dey mo amodwene say okay say dey dro ni dey
a friend say you have to make hay whilst the sun shines in every situation. What I say, in every situation, whether good or bad, you have to make hay in that situation. And a man for scratch me can say every mistake is a new style. Me say, they be Xdoe bad advice against beefing, but me say, senka obo mabano na manfi na. Nka no anu no bi anime into out of the dark I managed to shine what you say into no all the time obe prove to beef like against beef but me kakra advantage am me nya wo mu ne say senka man ko ne saa enka yenka menka secondly so enu echire no amanfo say artist be brave wo so say ye boy big show bia omo hia Xdoe in Chicago Soap concert party, who is who? Then here is doing Chicago. Auditorium, my mama tickets. Cry, I lucky gates here more be a ticket view. So why don't us take advantage of this situation, make some money, and forget the grudge? And man so yeah to say you ma assemble multimit something din sa. Yeah, nya meeting bia no naturally any kasa naturally came
and 24 kasa from the president to musical to that time because e do baby no no as in 24 said those days untimi nye dede sa ye be chiwa to
body so Alhaji Sidu Kubwari. I don't know a president of
Yeah,
music
as
at that
at
time.
that time.
Into Rawlings. Me both the names. President Rawlings, former. In for a caution. Alhaji Sidu Kubwari say, if you don't let your boys stop what they are doing, I'll demote you. Meji or 2 minutes. Yes, that was the extent that it got to. So Alhaji Sidu Kubwari have to talk to us, include Mark Tonto, and then the PRO, Jeduble Ambule, the PRO, 24. Exactly. I see a trap group picture near the convince media said your money say rivals, enemies, and Tissa. Because Tupac, Biggie was gone, and Tupac later followed. What was happening far as fun is costing people's life. So why not? Sometimes it was stage. I'm for to me too. Xdoe fans, some to me too akutu on the stage because menya ne fan or person me see na ne fan, but on also the same way. What you say?
Enti, wo no from your work and the nature say, already Kevin Boy and the boss Stone Boy a day by year. Who feel saying beef and because Kevin Boy is we're releasing this song on the manifest. This is Stone Boy. Who feel says beef
Me encourage. Me encourage. Say me encourage. Me this platform. So me can't say Kevin Boy should proceed and this his boss and then no what will come out of it? Or a very, very talented boy, Kelvin Boy. Very, very, very talented boy. Mean that out in this current phase. Bisa who said, why should a colleague artist, Stone Boy, go for another artist, even though or started shining Andrew any match ESBR, but he was able to bring him on board among all the upcoming artists. He has seen some vision in that guy. That is why. But just like football, Obitimi is so skillful, but umwadia, who coach and push you to a bigger team to go and shine nabe yeno. No, you don't get me. They are American. Me say it also comes with attitude.
Okay.
Minim dia are happening between Stone Boy and Kevin Boy. Minim the source said the American coming minim ya dia na makachro. Said the ti no okano or ye ni den o minim. What you say? But kakra na mi hu no. I think say when you have a problem with your superior, you should try massage the situation and solve it. If it doesn't work, then you part your ways. But to wage war, you are parting go. To wage war against your boss, I don't think it's healthy.
And more Kevin Boy. Because a bit me I can say, oh, did the boss didn't know kakra now.
Baby, I did make say Kevin Boy. Me sure say or person this and the boys, but media. Attention, Kevin Boy here has attention.
Yeah.
Media attention on this rivalry. They are putting some ideas into the upcoming artists. Any artist, baby, say when you do beef songs and dissing people, that's where you get attention.
Chinese.
Stone Boy disses Samini and can't do baby or one.
Exactly. But Shatawale disses Samini, so do
Shatawale ni Samini and Boy Shatawale was shimu. One fano. Yes, that is why I don't see such a person as Obia. Why are you legitimate? Because my boss is here. Tokwa. This is the pana you be. Now come to say the Chicago MBB. I'm a fan and say a serious thing to me. And so they say what they say. But you don't just look around and look at who is good or who is shining. Then you step on his toe to shine. That means you don't have the talent to come naturally.
I do, but I know super boy
my talent nemboa and you're stepping on somebody's toe that will make you a nebeboa. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. You are being coward. You are finding the cheap way to become known. Maybe Xdoe was Xdoe Chicago. It was my second album.
Yeah.
And I'm a this Chicago. I know crap.
Also say a friend say Queenie and I'm now friend say
Quinino,
yeah,
Nana
Queenie
King.
and then Nana King. Me and Nina, they stepped on you to make the name for themselves because no matter what you on my way, and no matter some of your man to memorize.
That is fine, but they never insulted me.
It's not decent to become.
They never insulted me. You see, Shatawale had this Samini. Why you know? Samini Mbiano, you know, sana attention ban as well. Who says you're tagging with that? You are tagging him, say, or you will be not the buy. That means me, Namijano, it's not by his talent and as a baby, but he used a cheap or easy way to step up. Samini, one koye obia, and the bar, obia on the talent. Shatawale has a good songs and good talent. Until me feel say ABI was off for the right one. And I say, was Samini yeni bibi. And son, na munya me she na me beye.
Dance hall no. It is any hip hop. No dance hall is about. I mean, so your guy now they are about to
Yes.
And you could see some
Yes.
time
Yes.
Shatawale buy or Baby on first or bandana.
Yeah.
It will call any woman for front or buy.
Oba bandana it was brilliant. So one touch obia. But why can't you come back again like that? Now if we say o step on Saminia ebema when you high weight. Now o step on him craft finding the tones the lyrics be a loose ebema o touch ni pana you who say oh yeah Charlie you are there.
Yeah, but he's there.
Yeah, he's there, but me no. Well, man, encourage Sadia way.
Me encourage
because media no encourage Sadia any too much. But do baby no, we won't have creative people. A be this and and on start in America, a be gangs, and it's happening now.
But all those people were creatives. Also, almost to me creative. At the end, nice. To send me now mabano. The way I creative, but the way I also creative. So when you know a friend is saying DMX and a creative side.
Yes.
So
but there was something. Chicago and Yamishi, I don't think I would have gone to this thing. You see, that is the thing. Men foul bone say, okay, right now who's Shatawale is if I say is here, my friend says Shatawale is making his days. So they mature now artists be underground were finding Shatawale sound we said no. We were good songs for but I found but I mean Shatawale into one more for 2 years. May you get a or no one or very reply now so. No swap but Mary Yenesa it the Benny Binyan papa. Who says Shatawale were good songs
yeah.
Or one good ones I meet here I'm a say wow. But you're tagging I am first good songs on tagging on.
Oh you ever.
Yes, of course.
Your friend say
Fatu does been more.
Only Boabo no buy.
Yes.
He said the other better does been.
Is here no phone in your for good does been. No na waste time for good does been. But and yet this song, a sanitation song.
Okay.
A sanitation song who say me I try say baby you do now say you do baby I timi ya nyum bi a beboa society. That's right. And yet this song and a beboa society. Ubetimi aye hey ebema hey obenya shows bi nesika say ska no fa ye hwe.
Yeah.
Bubu Adelia.
Oh, I have Bubuli. Early Sugbo.
That was when I can met me at my bedding in an answer somewhere women and young women. And
Oh, sorry, I better get it to the people. That's all. Okay, and you may bring Ohanipa Edeba. Yeah, the poverty, ba. Yeah, the crime, ba. Yeah, the my baby, ba.
No feature Xdoe.
Xdoe me know a different project, but different project. I can't even. Once Xdoe in Chicago, no, the brand no is different.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying, we are not a group. Or Xdoe na me Chicago. Enti say or any project, I mean so me project. But then obini kasa in terms of putting us together as a group. And it depends on the agreement, the weight, and then we decide to even let go our current project and clinch to that, or still move on with our projects because we don't need that. What you say?
Sunset Hotel and yɛdi nkɔmmɔ twitwi ɛbrɛ ho na wohwɛ the way a mpanyinfoɔ mmienu wei a wɔ system ni mo maboa ma beef akɔ so paa ɛnɛ yɛka beef asɛm mo nyinaa se beef ɛnyɛ na meyɛ sure sɛ wɔabɛhu sɛ beef deɛ ɛwɔ nwom mu deɛ ɛnyɛ ɔyɛ nwoma no ayɛ nwoma a ɛbɛma obi a etie no anya nsakyerɛ de afa na adwene mu ɛfa me ho na ɛfa ho nti na meba a meka nti nyame adom a yɛbɛhyia medase sɛ ɔhwɛ Xdoe Chicago TV ya subscribe bi YouTube channel no wate medase